You're sitting at a kitchen table in Oregon flipping through a dog-eared handwritten newsletter from the early 90s. Amy Dacyczyn's Tightwad Gazette whispers secrets, how to turn discarded milk jugs into garden scoops or stitch old jeans into cozy quilts. But it's not just about pinching pennies, it's about reclaiming life from waste and excess. What if frugality could be creative, even joyful? That's the missing key Amy stumbled upon, and you're about to unlock it. Amy's knack for thrifty reinvention began in the most unassuming way, seeing value where others saw garbage. Here, as how the tightwad mindset flips the script on what's truly waste. Take the humble milk jug. Amy recounts a letter from a tightwad in Wisconsin who cut old jugs into scoops for birdseed and potting soil. They weren't just saving money, they were reducing plastic waste and turning the mundane into must-haves for a thriving garden. It's the kind of gritty hands-on fix that sticks with you. Think of frugality as a giant puzzle. Instead of buying new, you fit pieces of old stuff together, like fabric from jeans or broken furniture parts, to solve the problem. It's a mental workout that sharpens creativity and resourcefulness, turning each dollar saved into a small victory lap for your brain. The payoff? People who master these habits don't just have fatter wallets, they develop a fresh perspective on abundance. Amy says the tightwad life encourages a mindset shift. You gain freedom by valuing what you've got, and suddenly life feels richer, not poorer, even in lean times. Cutting costs doesn't mean living in a cave. Amy's real-world hacks show how savvy tweaks can shrink bills while keeping comfort, and sometimes even upping your game. Amy shares a story from a chilly Minnesota winter. One tightwad family layered plastic on windows, sealed drafts with rolled towels, and lowered their thermostat by just 2 degrees, not freezing, just a nudge. Their heating bill fell by nearly $200 that season, proving small adjustments can add up to big cash back. When it comes to food, Amy's advice feels like a secret weapon. Plan your meals around weekly sales, buy staple ingredients in bulk, and learn the art of using leftovers creatively, from reinventing yesterday's roast into today's hearty soup. This strategy trimmed one family's monthly grocery spend by 30%, without anyone missing their favorite dishes. Broken faucet? Instead of calling a plumber, Amy guides you to basic fix-it skills that anyone can learn. She laughs about a tightwad who fixed his leaky kitchen tap with a $3 washer and an afternoon of YouTube lessons, saving $90 on labor. The best part, repairs become empowering projects, not dreaded chores. Think frugal equals boring. Amy flips that script, showing how saving money can supercharge your creativity for gifts, travel, and celebrations that wow without breaking the bank. Amy recalls a tightwad mom who pieced together a Halloween costume for her kid using old clothes, scraps of ribbon, and painted cardboard. Instead of a pricey store-bought outfit, her daughter was a one-of-a-kind scarecrow that dazzled at school. Not to mention the $40 saved was spent on pumpkin pie instead. Travel on a tightwad budget sounds impossible until you hear Amy's tips. Book off-season flights, camp instead of hotels, eat like a local at food carts, and barter where you can. She shares a story from a reader who toured Europe for under $1,000 by embracing these hacks. The secret sauce: planning meets flexibility. Gift giving isn't about price tags, it's about thought. Amy shares charming ideas like framing kids' artwork with thrifted frames or baking customized cookie tins. These gifts cost pennies but deliver heartfelt smiles. The lesson: meaning beats money every time. Remember that kitchen table in Oregon? The dog-eared newsletter wasn't just about saving dollars, it was about changing how we see the world. Amy's Tightwad Gazette teaches you to find treasure in trash, slash bills with smarts, and craft joy on a dime. So here's your challenge: pick one thing, maybe those plastic jugs, and turn it into something brilliant this week. You'll save money and maybe discover a spark of joy you didn't expect. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.